Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well. In the last post, I explained about US 100, US 30, gold and Bitcoin. And I told them, the audience that are active in financial market, that tomorrow would be very, very important day for all the markets in the world. And we should wait to see what is going to happen and what does Federal Reserve decide, and then we could just reopen our positions. If I were you, I wouldn't have any open position before Federal Reserve's meeting. So if you are day trader, if you are I don't know, if you are swing trader, you can make your trades all risk-free. Okay, let's get started. About DXY, I have found something interesting. I told you that in my previous analysis, weekly analysis, I told you that after this reaction, and I told you that we are going to have movement toward this zone, and we had a breakout of the midline pullback, then it moved here. I found something interesting here. There is a channel. When you take a look at it in 1 hour time frame, you see it's very reliable, and at the moment of speaking it is here. And if Federal Reserve has a rise of more than 75 basis points, so it's going to move toward numbers of 109 and 110. So we can see stronger dollar, and in comparison with this, and on the other hand, other currencies are going to be bearish. Otherwise, it's going to move toward this zone about 105 to get more energetic and to be more valuable for traders to get more powerful. This is my analysis, even though it's not financial advice for anyone here. So let's get started with EURUSD. For EURUSD, we had bearish day because dollar got stronger today, and this is stronger could be pullback, or maybe it shows that traders are not risk taker and they are waiting for tomorrow. So look at this diagram. I told you that we are in a downtrend and we had a channel, and if you can remember, I have drawn all of these areas for you, and you can see a strong and beautiful reactions. If you just extend it a little bit, you can see that we had nice and beautiful reaction to these zones. At the moment of speaking, it is on the support zone, and it is getting supported. What we had for these 2 days, it was just trading range. So if dollar gets stronger because of the interest rates in the United States, so we can see this zone one more time and the low line of the channel, and what I think would be weaker euro in the future. Okay, but pound had somehow better 2 days for Monday and today, and finally today it was somehow bearish for just a little bit. For pound, we had this channel. I told you it was like a wedge. If we extend it, we could see that we had a wedge. So this wedge shows that now pound started getting bearish. What I think, according to this candle, the pin bar plus 2 other red candles, is that pound is getting less expensive and less valuable for tomorrow. At the moment, you can draw this trend line for yourself and wait for tomorrow meeting. If there is a breakout, you can sell. If there is a breakout from this side, pullback, then you could go for buy. What I think myself is going to be, breakout from this side, and you could go for sell, but you should wait to understand. So about USDJPY is the third item I always analyze and tell my audience about, is that for Japanese yen we had more we could have stronger Japanese yen and stronger US dollar. So there are two different scenarios for tomorrow. It could be a pullback to this zone and rest of the trend, which I think it's not probable. Well, then we could see, if Federal Reserve increases the rates to 100 basis points, so we can see it's going to be 138 and it is going to go back into the channel. Then we need to update our channel in another way. I'm not sure yet if it's gonna happen, so we could have channel like this. And tomorrow we can understand how banks trade it. So what I think is this one, that they have had this scenario for Japanese yen, and USD is getting more valuable and stronger for tomorrow. This is what I think. Then we need to update this, but don't forget, you can make it in the previous way. I have updated, and this is the way my experience tells you about. Well, but wait to see that it's gonna be bullish tomorrow or bearish. Well, what you can see for Canadian dollar was we had a bearish market, and we had trading range for these 2 days from the beginning of the week. And at the moment I can see this small channel. Then you can draw it, then you can take a look at this in 1 hour, which is very reliable and everything is fine. So if tomorrow USD gets stronger, we have a breakout from this zone, and then you could go for sell. And if there is a breakout from this zone, we can see 0.75 soon, and it's a great amount of profit, but everything depends on tomorrow. And finally, about USD AUD, we had bullish market, and USD got stronger, and many traders know about tomorrow. All right, let's take a look at it. So I told you about this, and I told you that we are in a kind of uptrend, and if there is a breakout, so these are new supports, and we should seriously wait if it is going to move toward these zones, so we can update our analysis and change. Okay, so I don't know it's going to be like this or not, but if it gets stronger, you can update your channel like this that I am doing. Let me I guess would be something like maybe this, but everything depends on tomorrow. Why I say it would be like this, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 some reactions here, and what we can see is just we have 2 bottoms at the moment of speaking, and we should wait just this, and I can make my channel like it was by using Ctrl+Z. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great time, and don't forget about tomorrow. And if you have any question, you can ask in comment. I will answer it. Have a great time. Bye-bye.